Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care. And it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.